Hi EDU 279. I hope this video finds you doing well. I did want to take a few minutes and do a video overview this week as we are leading into your spring break. I know you're excited about that. We are finishing up discussing reading comprehension. So we're moving into part 2 of reading comprehension. You'll notice that this week spans with a lot of things being due after spring break. But there are a few things due before spring break on Friday. So just pay close attention to due dates this week, considering you are going into spring break, okay? So week 11, you're going to be reading chapter 10 in your textbook, participating in discussion board 11. There are videos in the reading and practice folder. You're also going to finalize your comprehension activity plan and implement it in the classroom, and then complete journal 11. So let's take a look in the classroom observation and lab expectations folder this week. This is the week that you are implementing your written comprehension activity plan. In the instructions, it asks you to work collaboratively with the teachers that you're observing in their classroom to be sure what you're talking about fits into what they're doing and is age appropriate for their students. You will submit that activity plan before you implement it in the classroom. I will look at these dates because what I absolutely do not want to happen is for you to go in the classroom, do something with comprehension, and then write it up and submit it later. You need to have a detailed written plan before you try to implement this activity. So I will be looking to be sure the date you submitted your plan is before the date you implemented the comprehension activity. And the idea is to implement those activities before spring break, which is next week. If you need an extension on that, we can talk about that, but I would like for you to reach out to me so I know who is not able to implement their activity plan this week. In your reading and practice folder, you're finishing up reading about comprehension. There are different strategies here that you can watch via video about different reading comprehension strategies. I just love this lady. She has such a presence in the classroom, so be sure to watch those videos. There is a link here to different graphic organizers. You can use graphic organizers in your comprehension plan. They are very useful and utilized often in the classroom when it comes to reading comprehension. And then this folder contains other videos related to reading comprehension and implementing comprehension strategies in the classroom. I just thought it would be helpful for you guys to see some of those before you have to implement your own. In the assignments folder, you will see that you have a discussion board about graphic organizers this week. Your journal is a reflection on your comprehension observation. You could have done that last week or this week. And then this is where you're going to submit your reading comprehension activity plan. Note, there is a reflection section on the reading comprehension activity plan. You don't have to complete that section because this should be submitted before you do the activity. That will be your journal in week 12, which is after spring break. So after spring break, you will reflect on how your reading comprehension activity went. I haven't heard from most of you recently. If you need help with anything or if you have any questions about anything, I'm here. I'm happy to meet with you virtually or talk with you over the phone or just exchange emails with you. I hope y'all have a great week and good luck working with the children.